Is your cooktop glass cracked, chipped, or damaged? A damaged glass top can affect both the appearance and safe operation of your cooktop. Welcome to PartsMelange. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main glass top for the cooktop. The main glass top provides a durable cooking surface and supports the cooktop controls and burner components. Over time, impacts, heat stress, and everyday use can cause the glass to crack or become damaged. Before beginning the repair, turn off the power to the cooktop. Remove the junction box cover and disconnect the power and grounding wires. Next, detach the venting from the blower and remove the vent grill. With the help of an assistant, carefully lift the cooktop out of the countertop opening and place it on a protected work surface. Remove all control knobs from the cooktop. Next, remove the 10 screws securing the main top to the base. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift off the old glass top. Apply the new protective foam strips to the underside edge of the replacement main top. If necessary, transfer the control knob bezels from the old top or install the new bezels on the replacement top, ensuring the holes are properly centered. Position the new glass top onto the cooktop base and align it correctly. Reinstall the 10 screws securing the main top to the base. Reinstall the control knobs. Carefully return the cooktop to the countertop opening. Reconnect the venting to the blower and reinstall the vent grill. Reconnect the conduit cable, power wires and grounding wire in the junction box, then reinstall the junction box cover. Restore power to the cooktop and test all surface elements and controls to make sure the repair was successful. Need a replacement main glass top for cooktop? Visit PartsMelange.ca. We stock a wide range of cooktop parts to match your model number. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications, and follow us on social media for more appliance repair guides. Thanks for watching.